Do you have tickets that are separate but clearly connected? Let's relate them for better context. For example, after a flash sale, multiple customers might raise tickets about delayed deliveries like package not shipped yet, tracking link not updating, same-day delivery missed. Even though these are from different customers and different orders, they are all connected by the same logistics partner delay. While I can't merge these, merging is only for tickets from the same contact, I can relate them. Relating tickets allows us to see the bigger picture. Opening one ticket will show all others linked as related issues, giving us valuable context. To do this, I'll start by opening the first ticket. Then, I'll go to More Actions on the right side and select Relate Tickets. It will prompt me to search again. So I'll search for order number 12789 and order number 12901. Select those tickets, and then execute the Relate command. Once the relationship is built, I remain in the original ticket, but now at the bottom, I can see all the related tickets displayed together. Going back to the list view, these 3 tickets are now linked. And here's the best part. It doesn't matter which ticket I open next time. All of them will show all the linked tickets consistently. Now that they're related, I can take some really useful actions. I can unrelate tickets if needed. If a single resolution applies to all related tickets, for instance, once the logistics delay is resolved, I can send a mass update apologizing for the delay and confirming the new delivery timelines to all affected customers at once. I can close all related tickets simultaneously or assign them all to myself or my team for quicker resolution. If required, I can even take bulk actions, like issuing coupons or refunds for all affected customers in one go. This simple feature is incredibly powerful for managing tickets related by topic or issue. It allows us to act faster, keep communication consistent, and ensure no customer is left waiting for an update. If you need more help, click on Support to chat, submit a ticket, or read our knowledge base articles. You can also visit our HappyFox University to continue watching more videos like this one.